welcome back to my channel, guys. This is going to be the next series I start working on. It's a restoration of a 1986 Porsche 944 Turbo. I know a lot of my subscribers are from my electric go-kart videos, and I'm still working on those, but while I'm working on that in the background, enjoy the restoration of this classic Porsche. Okay, so as you can see, the car was in pretty rough condition when I picked it up. It had been stopped for over 20 years and been sitting in the woods for the last few. So the interior had a bunch of random stuff all over it, like those books, and there were a bunch of like animal nests and random like acorns and leaves in there. Also, the exterior of the car was pretty rough, like all these seals and stuff were all rotted, and the clear coat was like rubbing off almost everywhere, like right there on the corner, the hood and the sides. So I'm probably gonna have to get repainted eventually, but it was just caked in dirt everywhere, and there was mold all over the inside and outside of it. Because I knew that I was going to storage right after this, probably for the next month or so while I try to get it started, I decided to give it a quick power wash just to get all this like dirt off, so it wasn't like falling everywhere and just making it a lot more of a hassle. I think in this video it's mostly just going to be me cleaning the car and kind of restoring the interior, like tearing it down, figuring out what's wrong with it, just so I have an idea of what to do in the future, like what parts to order, stuff like that. So there's not going to be much mechanical stuff in this video. Maybe like the second and third video will be it running around and like the first tests and stuff like that. But yeah, there's not much more to say other than these are the original pictures that were on the listing when I bought it. As you can see, it's in pretty rough condition. I mean, yeah, it's already come a long way. Right now, I like already finished the interior and like cleaning it up and it runs. But maybe I'll flash a picture of what it looks like now at the end of the video just to get you guys excited. But I hope you guys enjoy the video and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of this series. I hope that's not mold behind, like, it's speckles.
Classic baggy. Damn, bro, is that what 20 years does to like plastic? That's crazy. It just turns into like, wow. So all these parts, when I got it, were sitting on the back carpet, just sitting in there. And I pulled them all out. And this right here is one of the things that was in there. And 20 years of the sun can turn plastic into just like sand. Look at this. Look, ready? Crazy. Bro, that's funny. I'm gonna need gloves for that guy. And then replace some like the interior, maybe like new seats, something like that. But it definitely needs a new steering wheel and like a short shifter kit. but as you can see, it's in pretty bad condition, and this is after we cleaned most of this stuff out. But there's a lot of stuff I need to do before I even try to start it. Like, it's been sitting for so long that I have to pull the spark plugs out and put some oil on the top of the cylinders and replace the timing belts because they get old, snap. It's an interference engine. All right, so this is the rear carpet that we just pulled out, and at first I thought this was like sun damage, obviously, because like this is the back right on the glass and the sun just bleaches this stuff as it's been sitting here for 20 years. But I just vacuumed part of it, and this is just dust. This is what, like 20 years of dust just accumulated. The original plan was just to vacuum that and the interior and everything, which I already did. Like, the rest of like the interior. Like it's I already vacuumed it, but like now that I see that it's that dirty, I'm probably just gonna pull out all the carpet and the whole thing and just power wash like every piece of cloth in the whole car. Not the seats, because I'll probably just replace them, but the back seats are actually in pretty good condition by themselves, so probably the back seats I'll just leave like that, but. I just spent an hour and a half cleaning this rear window. We got a nest in here. Looks like a bird's nest maybe, or I don't know, something. Oh boy. Oh no, isn't that the God, why is it like so hard back here? Alright. You like. There won't be any silence. Bruh. Nah, alright, you know what? You don't have the video right now. This. Bruh. That's a bruh moment.
Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video, and I really only got around to cleaning it and removing the carpets, but in the next video I'll be putting the carpets in and looking at the engine, doing the time belts and stuff like that, figuring out the other problems. But yeah, that's what it looks like right now. It's pretty torn down and rough, but it looks pretty good at the end. I'll flash a couple pictures of what it looks like right now, and it's amazing. It's crazy how far it's come. I just hope you guys liked the video, and subscribe if you want to get notified for future episodes of this build.